The Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Nirmala Sitharaman, today chaired the fifth pre-budget consultation meeting with industry representatives in New Delhi. Former US President Jimmy Carter died on Sunday at the age of 100. President Donald Trump, Joe Biden expressed condolences. The Indian Space Research Organisation is ready for the launch of SPADX mission. The space docking experiment will be launched from Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota tonight. Railways has cancelled 150 trains in view of the Punjab Bandh call by the Kisan Union today. In the Border Gavaskar Trophy cricket, Australia registered a 184-run victory over India on the fifth and final day of the fourth test in Melbourne.